Changing your bank account on Square is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your banking information easily. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or a gear icon. Step 3. Select bank account information. In the account settings, look for an option related to payment of bank account information. Click on this option to view your current bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Find the option to change or edit your bank account. Enter the new bank account information, including the account number and routing number, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your bank account has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your bank account on Square. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for assistance.